Hi guys, so this is Mosin from Cars Experts. This is quick movie. I will show you how to change the parking bulb in the CL W216. So this is S-Class Coupe. So this one is from 2007 and the parking bulb in this headlamp is on the bottom. I thought on the beginning that is here, but probably in the next years, maybe 2008 or 9, there will be a parking bulb in this side. I'm not sure, but that's what I suspect because I saw some movie that on the corner there is a parking bulb installed. In my case, the parking bulb is on the bottom. So what you have to do, you have to remove the cover. So you have two screws here, plastic screws. Here you have one, here you have one, and here you have two. I will not remove it completely. I will just fold it down. So then I will have an access to the main bulb and also parking bulb. Of course, you have to remove as well those two rivets. So I'm using this kind of tool. You have to pull it out and then you can remove it completely. So you have two of them. And here is the third one. Don't forget about this one. So guys, you have to remove this cap from the bottom, okay, turning this in this direction, so opposite to clockwise. So in the left you need to turn left, and then you will have a bulb on the bottom. I will try to remove the socket. There's no really good access here. So I will use the longer tool to access it from the bottom. I did already this on the left side. Yes, so now you can see. So this one is some LED bulb, which is giving the failure in my dashboard and it's not working. So I'm using this MTech Premium LED W5W. If you want to use standard bulb, of course you can use it. Then the color will be yellow, but I'm using this one. So this will give me the white LED parking bulb, light. Okay, so now I need to place it back, which will be more tricky, but there is a hole in the lamp, so you can look in from the bottom and you will find it, and you need to just push the bulb back. Okay guys, so plastic bulb is installed. You have to be careful with this plastic here. I broke small part of it. It's really not easy to put it back. But to be honest, you need to make more space. So completely remove this wheel cover. So you have on the bottom as well two screws with 8mm socket. So you can remove them as well, and then will be a lot of easier because you will have the access from the bottom to this parking bulb. But anyway, I made it. So what I want to show you yet, guys, it's not my first video where I'm showing how to switch in Mercedes the lamps from UK variant or Japanese variant in this case, to the US variant, so symmetric light. So you can switch. I hope this will be visible. You will see the lever. You will see or you will not see. I hope you will see. Yeah, it's there. Maybe I will switch it down. Yeah, this is up. This is up position. This is up, and now you push it down. So you will have now symmetric light. This is with this headphone, but I hope you see this small. Oh yeah, now it's more sharp. So this one you have to move it up and down. So to have it symmetric light, you have to move this lever, you have to move it down. Sorry guys for this screen. This one you have to move it down. Okay, up, down. Now I have symmetric lights. Okay, I will show you yet the color of the parking bulbs. Yeah, this is the color of the bulb, plus parking bulb. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.